Good morning guys, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video ay magtutour tayo guys sa Villar City from MCX going to Molino. Ayan guys, ang Villar City pagkagabi. Ayan yung mga daan niya, ang ganda, mailaw. Kaya enjoy the music and bye-bye.